Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Geek. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has become a really wonderful app to be on because a lot of people are using this app in order to stay connected to their friends, families, colleagues for any purpose. So this is the reason why I'm going to show you today how you can use WhatsApp in a really wonderful manner. So today I'm going to get you along with the basics of how you can sign up to WhatsApp and what are the things that you can find on WhatsApp and how you can send messages or create groups. So here, come along with me and I'll show you how to do that. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the WhatsApp app on your device, and then make sure that you've also already logged into your particular account. So now as you open up the app, you will always land on the chat section. There on the chat section, you have different interference and different other facilities available to you, but then I'm going to start from the lower left section. So you can see that on the lower left hand side, there's an option that says status. So when you go to status, what you can do here is you can update your status. So as you know that there are different forms of stories that you can upload on Instagram, Messenger, Facebook. So it's a similar kind of a thing. What you can do is you can either write a certain status over here. So I'm just going to show you, or you can upload a picture and then tap on the arrow button. And in a few seconds of time, you'll be able to see that your status will have gone uploaded and you'll be able to see who's viewed it. But if you want to delete this very status, you can tap on the three dots over here and then you can tap on delete button. And as you do that, your status will now have been gone. So this is how the status function works. Then you can see the calls over here. On the call section, you'll be able to see all the calls that you've had till date on WhatsApp and also able to see the missed calls that you've had. So this is how the call section works. When you go to the camera section, it will lead you towards clicking a particular picture or uploading a particular picture so that you can send it to a particular chat. So if you'd like to send a certain picture to somebody, you can just upload it here and then tap on the tick mark and then select the person that you'd like to send this to. So this is how the camera function works. Also to mention the chat section, the chat section is one of the most important sections in the entire WhatsApp because that is what people use WhatsApp for. So for this, what you can do is if you'd like to add somebody else or if you'd like to send in a completely new chat, you can see that there's a pen icon on the upper right hand side. So you can simply tap on it. And then what you can do is you can either type in the name of a person and then select the person and send that particular person a chat, or you can create a new group altogether. So here I'm just going to create a new group and show you how you can do that. So here I've done it. I'm just going to tap on the next button and then you can just type in the name of the group and then also the picture for the group and then tap on create. As I create the group, a group like this will appear on your screen. A group interface also looks like this and a personal chat interface also looks like this. So if you want to send in a message, you can just say something like this and then send in the message. You can also see here that you can send in different stickers. You can also tap on the camera button and then send in different photos. You can also tap in the mic button and then send them recordings, your voice recordings. You can also tap on the plus icon and then send them any documents, location, contact. You can create a room, photo or video library or camera. So this is basically how it works. If you want to audio call this group or a particular person, you can simply tap on the phone button over here. If you want to video call the people, you can tap on the video call option. And if you want to make some amendments to the group, you can tap on the name of the group and then here you will see that you can make different amendments to the group. So this is basically how the chat section works. You can always work it out like this. If you'd like to archive a group, you can simply swipe left and then your group can get archived just like that. Or what you can also do is you can simply swipe left and then tap on the more button and here you'll be able to see if you'd like to mute a group or you need the group information, you want to export the chat, clear the chat or exit the group. So this is how it works. And then when you go to the settings section, the settings section is also one of the most important sections of WhatsApp. Here you'll be able to see different information relating to your account. So if you'd like to enable two-step verification or change your number or go to the security or even privacy, you can all see different options here. If you'd like to delete your account, you can tap on delete my account and get along with deleting your account permanently. You can also see different options over here. So there are different options such as chats. So you can always back up your chat so that even if you uninstall the device, later on when you install the device, everything will get backed up. You can also export the chats, archive the chats, clear the chats, or delete the chats. You can also change the chat wallpaper. So you can always do this. You can always choose a new wallpaper and then start having conversation with people. So I'm just going to show you how it can work. And then you also have other options such as storage and data, where you can manage your storage that belongs to WhatsApp. You can also see here linked devices. You can also use WhatsApp on different other devices. And then when you tap on this button, you'll be able to edit your profile picture, your name, your phone number, and also about your bio. So this is basically how WhatsApp works. It's a very simple platform to be on, to stay connected with a lot of people. And I hope that this video has given you an instance on how generally you can work it out on WhatsApp. And if it did, and if you formed your own WhatsApp account, and with the help of this video, if you're having no problem using WhatsApp for a basic level, do let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.